The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.
Before that, we can hear what were some of the expectations and assessments of what many called pivotal elections on October 26, 2024. We have collected business voices during our non-stop live coverage of the election day yesterday, and our reporter Natia Taktakishvili will sum up the main messages we all have heard so far from this part of the business community. Natia, what were the main messages yesterday stemming from our respondents?
Elena, we tried to find out the mood of the business during these important elections. Most of the businesses declare that Georgia's investment environment is at a risk. If relations don't improve with the USA, and the EU integration process will not continue. As they note, the country needs coalitional government instead of a single ruling party. They deeply hope that the newly elected government will continue the pro-European path. We can listen to the business community voices we gathered yesterday. Revaz Vashakidze, founder of Chirina, deeply hopes that after the elections, Georgia will get closer to the European Union again. As he told BMG TV, no one expects it to happen in a day, as the country's reputation has been badly damaged. During the last 2 years, the government and parliament took decisions to distance Georgia from Europe and America. We had military relations with the USA for the last 30 years. Our financial supporters are the international banks, in which the US has a major share, and they determine this policy. This is a big problem. As for the European Union, Georgian citizens have great relations with European countries. I mean, both individuals and companies. If it happens that the visa regime is stopped, it will lead to big changes in Georgia. It's not only a problem that part of our population will find it more difficult to travel to Europe. There are now about 500,000 Georgians living in Europe, Vashakidze said. Sandro Chumburidze, Secretary General of EU GBC, declares that single ruling party in Georgia should be replaced by a coalition government. As Chumburidze mentioned with BMG TV, Georgia does not have experience of coalition government, but the society will learn. For 3 decades, we had a one-party government. I am personally firmly convinced that the single ruling party should be replaced by a coalition government. This is the only solution. Someone may ask that we don't have the culture of a coalition government. Nothing is dangerous, we will learn, Chumburidze said. According to him, in the current situation, the president should make the most of her opportunities in the process of forming a coalition government, and also to settle bilateral relations with the European Union and USA. The founder of ICR Group, Kaka said that he supported the changes in the elections. According to him, the historical choice of Georgia is Europe and to be a member of European family. The business cannot develop without changes. When the country is ruled by one political party for 12 years, changes are needed, Khazaradze said. According to him, there were many changes in Georgia in 2024, and in this regard, the so-called Russian law became a turning point in relations with business partners. Our company represents about 30 international companies in Georgia. The first question we received from them was the following: why are you accepting this law? I had no arguments. We are building a democratic country, therefore it's very important to have democratic institutions in the country. It was very difficult for us to continue negotiations with our partners on new projects. Everything is paused and everyone is waiting for the choice of the Georgian people, Khazaradze said. Irakli Akhaladze, the founder of Hubmsheni, declares that the desire of business is to reset relations with EU since stability comes from there. According to him, what the business asks the state is their support. Sometimes taxes hit the business hard. We want to do everything in line with the legislation, but sometimes the situation becomes difficult. Our business is a construction business which is characterized by seasonality, so winter is a hard season and our business is affected by seasonality, he said. We have no alternative but integration with European civilization. We must return to this path quickly, Malchas Kunelauri, the founder of the company MK Development Group, told TV program Business Morning. According to him, business expectations is related to the changes that should lead the country to solid and steady political and economic development. Business expectations for the elections are positive, and positive, of course, means changes and steady and long-term solid development. We are waiting for the new parliament to return to the new path, said Kunelauri. Beka Bekaya, the founder of Nutrimax, declares that it's important to have European-time businesses instead of Russian-style money-making businesses. As Bekaya says, despite the tense background in the country, he has a positive mood. If we want to grow and have an inclusive economy, it's important to develop European-time business instead of Russian-style money-making businesses. That's why integration towards the European Union is important, said Beka Bekaya. Resan Kikava, director of Expo Georgia, hopes that the country's foreign course will change under the new government. We had different types of government, including a government that started a civil war, a violent government, and a government that somehow decided to distance itself from all our main partners and turn away from the civilization we were striving for. I hope that the country's foreign course will change and investments will be made in the development of science, education, and healthcare system, he said while speaking with BMG TV. As he mentioned, he respects the choice of Georgian people and he hopes that it will be a step forward and not a step back. The managing partner of Company Due declares that the most important thing for Georgia's investment environment is to repair relations with Western partners and restore the process of integration into the European Union. As Daushvili told BMG, otherwise a number of investment projects and the country's economy in general will be at a risk. This is an extraordinary situation. Georgia has never had such a tense relationship with its traditional partners. We must get out of this situation and restore the process of integration into the European Union. I hope future government will continue the pro-European path in order to continue those investment projects that are interesting for both our domestic and foreign investors, Daushvili said.
The Checkpoints is presented by pharmaceutical company GM Pharma.